topic is diversity and discrimination. Diversity is not always celebrated because we feel safe and secure with people who look, talk, dress, and think like us. So, today we will discuss about diversity and discrimination in detail. Now, first, in diversity, we talk about first rural and urban people. Now, what the rural people do? They work in field. They work as farmers and they work for hours in the field. But they are forced to go to the urban areas for any work. Like they do not, rural people, they do not take care for their health. They are full superstitions, and more than 50% of all Indians live in villages. And people who live in villages are backward and do harvesting work, and from 12 to 14 hours they work in field. The whole day they can work in field, and sometimes they are villagers are forced to migrate to cities in search of work. So in urban areas, life is easy and people are lazy. They spend less time with family, they care for money only. City people do not trust as they are cunning and corrupt. Now, our next point is prejudice. What does that mean? That means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. For example, if we think English is the best language, as a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. We can be prejudiced about people's religion also, the color of their skin, the language and their clothes, etc. Now our third point is creating stereotypes. Now boys play with which game? They play always cricket. And what do you, what the boys behave? How are they? They are brave and they don't cry. But girls are very emotional and they heard the words constantly from their childhood and accept without thinking. When we fix people into an image, it is called stereotype. So when people say that those who belong to particular religion is stingy, lazy or dumb, they are also they are using stereotypes. There are in every community stingy and generous peoples are also there in this society. It means in our society there is huge gap between boy and a girl that is created by elders. Now our 4 point is discrimination. Now, some festivals of India are Holi and Diwali. Discrimination takes place because of several reasons like persons belongs to other religions, language, or a person lives in specific religions of India may be discriminated on the basis of ability and custom. On these basis, people are not allowed for taking job and prevent them from taking water from the same well or hand pump. That is called discrimination due to any reason, any religion reason, or whether they are backward or they are uneducated. They sometimes the people do not allow them to take water. So these were the reasons of discrimination. So these were the topics which we have covered today. First was rural and urban people, how they live and how they work. Then we studied about the stereotype peoples. Then prejudice about how the people feel, and then how the discrimination ground they feel about it. So these points have you all understood, children? Now it's time for homework. So today's homework is describe about the diversity and discrimination in your own words.